I'm learning English. That's why I'm asking you so many questions. I hope you don't mind.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you. So, can you
You're
share
welcome.
something? How can improve as a beginner, non-native language country
I
people?
would say listening to music that you like in English and finding out the lyrics and then find the meaning of all the words in the lyrics so you understand the song.
Okay.
Right? So study your favorite songs. So examine your favorite songs, the words, listen to how they say the words, all that stuff, and repeat, and do that. And as you keep doing that every day, if you do an hour of English music and looking up the words, you'll get super good.
Okay, it's really work. And thank you
Yeah, it
for
really
your
works.
advice to me. I really try this.
Okay, yeah, you try it. I think that you're gonna learn a lot of English. Why? Do you want to move to United States or?
Not right now because I need make money then because it's very expensive to get a American visa in my country. If I able to move, I definitely. And
Okay.
what is your dream country? Do you want to traveling?
Hawaii.
Any reason you want to go there? What is the attraction?
Because my sister did ancestry DNA, and it came out as part Hawaiian.
I have another question if you don't mind.
What?
You are not married, right? So if when you want to get married, what type of boy do you like? What quality do you have?
I like a man with money, and that's it. That's my favorite quality.
It's your favorite
That's like
quality.
the
Only
favorite.
money?
And funny.
Money and funny.
He has to be funny. Yeah, money and funny.
That's crazy.
That's it.
I
Yeah.
know if you want to survive, you have to you need to money, but money is not everything.
And maybe you say so. I don't think so.
So, what your opinion? What do you thinking about money?
I'm getting tired. What do I think about money? I think I don't like it, but I have to use it. I only like it for what it can do for me, not because I like the stupid piece of paper. I don't like that piece of plastic.
Okay, but we are running for money. Everyone run because everyone need money, and we are running for money.
Yeah.
What is your biggest dream?
To win PK.
This is your biggest dream? It's really crazy.
Yeah.
Today, do you have any plan? If you can give me rate, how can I mark for my English speaking? Out of 10.
Out of 10, I think you're like a 2.
Only 2?
No, you're like a 5.
5.
5.
Okay, that's better. I will try my best to speak. Okay? I need work some area because sometimes I'm stuck and I need to more vocabulary to read and memorize. And I need some friend like you who advise me.
I don't know, maybe not.
You can teach me English if you be my friend.
I can't teach you English. I can't be your English teacher. You're gonna have to hire somebody for that or practice like I told you. But yeah, I can't. I'm sorry.
Why?
Because I don't want to. Don't insist. Don't insist. I'll get annoyed. And listen, do the music thing, okay? Listen to your music and then study the words and then practice how they say the words. And then if you can get yourself like somebody in person who speaks to you in English, that's it.